Hello, ladies and gentlemen, how is it going? Sylvia here, and well, what can I say? I'm back. Okay, guys, you know what? I'm just coming to you randomly. Well, I have like something exciting to share with you. So I'm gonna talk about that in a sec, but yeah, I have not been on YouTube for almost a month. Almost a month. Like seriously, I lost my voice and I have been speechless for the last 3-4 months. Not months. You know, some people like me have no respect for time, and I'm like, with numbers again, it's just all the same to me. I really have to focus to say it right. For me, weeks, months, years, it's just all the same. I guess I just have no respect for time. But no, I was gonna say that I have not been on YouTube. I have been speechless because I have been speechless for the last 3-4 weeks. Okay, excuse me, so almost the whole January, but I'm back just like the Terminator, and I'm here to stay. And let me just come back to you by uploading this sweet and short video and share with you something exciting. And what is exciting? The fact that I received my first payment from YouTube ad revenue. Alright, so it's gonna be like an update on how my channel is doing, and just to show you my growth, my journey. Okay, because I guess some people may find it inspirational or motivational. That's it, because at the end of the day, that's how we grow, by inspiring each other. I believe so. I personally believe so. Okay, and all right, let me show you this. Okay, this is my channel, the channel monetization, all of that. But hold on, let's go to the Google AdSense first. So this is my Google AdSense account. So guys, if you ever if you think of starting to get paid from from whatever you do online, you definitely need to open up this Google AdSense account, connect everything, set up your bank details, all of that. Okay, and here I am inside of my Google AdSense account. Excuse me, I mean, like, my voice is still weak. I have this kind of like Demi Moore husky voice, which is kind of like interesting. So my voice is back, it's started coming back a few days ago, but it's still like 70, only 70% back, I guess. It's like I still have when you have mucus on your stuck to your throat. So I'm still kind of in the flushing out period. But anyhow, back to this Google AdSense account. Okay, guys, as you can see, the first payment for what? $87.74 dollars, right? Not dollars, no, actually pounds, because I get paid in pounds. So that would be around 120, 25, perhaps 30, I guess around $120. So my first payment. And now bear in mind, after the taxes and all of that, because, okay, let me just maybe take myself up here so you can see how it works. So, okay, this is the payment after the taxes. So, some tax has been deducted as well. That's what YouTube does. It's not much, it's around 10%, I guess. It's exciting. It is exciting because, okay, it may not be big money, but it is real money. And I got my channel monetized around 3 months ago. And again, bear in mind, I have not been able to be on YouTube for the last month. And yeah, still I got this money. I made this money. My YouTube channel is growing. Let me show you my YouTube channel actually. This is okay, and then I'll talk about this training course, because thanks to this training course called Traffic Jarvis, I got my channel monetized. But let me take you to my channel and show you the proof that it is obviously monetized. So guys, if you in YouTube Studio, okay, you have all of these features here on the left. Okay, so I went to the monetization, and when you see where you see this, here, these options, ads, memberships, supers, this is only going to be available for you if your channel is monetized. Okay, as you can see here, I'm getting paid, so it's like the setup is complete. It is all good. So YouTube, I'm a YouTube partner, so okay, part of the YouTube program. And let me perhaps show you the analytics, so well you can see how my channel is doing. That is inside again my YouTube studio. So far, okay, as you can see, for the last 28 days, which is interesting, you know, like I made like around $40. Now, for the last 28 days, I have not been uploading any videos on YouTube because I was speechless, okay? But still, I made this money. Now, another thing to sort of for you to take a note of is that the videos I make are sort of short-lived because I do review videos, and there's only like a few days period of time that people actually search for videos, the reviews on those products. So the videos I make again are short-lived. That obviously, like, you know, makes me realize that, you know, I have to start making those evergreen videos that people always look for. And then I will get more views and more subscribers this way. So this is something I'll be doing in the future, more like tutorials, evergreen videos, and all of that. But just to show you the gravity of the situation, you know, this can turn into a passive income. Again, I have not been on YouTube for the last 28 days, but still some money, you know, came from the videos I made, you know, previously, right? And maybe I'll show you how much I made so far. So let's go for the lifetime. And again, I got my channel monetized around 3 months ago, something like that. So far I have made almost $180, okay, from my YouTube ad revenue. Again, the last month I have not been on YouTube. So it is cool. I mean, it is cool. It's not like I have to sell anything. It's just, I'm just getting paid by uploading videos, and that's it. It is like an additional source of income. Then I also make like, of course, this is a marketing channel, right? So I make videos, like review videos where I promote some products, but actually I do a lot of videos in which I expose scams, like rubbish products I don't recommend, just to warn my viewers, like sort of like, don't go for this product because it is not something you would be happy with, in my humble opinion, okay? All right, but more videos to come, like tutorials and I guess some motivational stuff as well. It's always nice and inspirational. I think people need to hear that. So this has been my growth so far. Okay, and let me talk to you about, these are my subscribers, the watch hours. And guys, if you want your channel monetized, this is the thing, okay? If you want your channel monetized, you need to meet 2 requirements, okay? Before YouTube will allow your channel to go into the review mode? No, into the review, into the monetization review, okay? So number 1 requirements, you have to have 1,000 subscribers. The second one is you need to have 4,000 watch hours, okay? So those 2 requirements need to be met before your channel can go into the review, and then they make the decision and they write to you normally within few days or up to 3-4 weeks. YouTube sends you an email and informs you on whether your channel has been monetized or not. And trust me, to get 1,000 subscribers, yeah, you know, you can take anything from, if like realistically speaking, a year or a couple of years, even 3 years, depending on how well you're doing on your channel, what your channel is all about, how popular it is, and all of that. So okay, it can take some time, trust me. But the second requirement, the 4,000 watch hours, is a tricky one because you need to achieve those 4,000 watch hours within 1 year, guys. Once the 1 year passes, it kind of restarts. The counting restarts. So it's as if you were starting from a fresh YouTube channel. So it's really, really tricky to meet that requirement in particular in order for your channel to be well, to get a chance to be monetized, right? To go into the monetization review. So that's just the reality of the situation. And guys, how did I I started on YouTube 9 months ago, something like that, and I got my channel monetized around 3 months ago. Okay, what really, really helped me with my YouTube channel, and is this training course called Traffic Jarvis. Now I will attach the link to this sales page of Traffic Jarvis below my review, because this is something that has helped me enormously. I love this training course. It's like a masterclass on YouTube, helps you get your channel monetized fast. I got my monetized in 2 weeks from the moment I took action and implemented what this training teaches you. Okay, so definitely check it out if YouTube is something you want to do, and if you want to master it, optimize everything for the ranking, good ranking, all of that, and then get it monetized as soon as possible and start making money like I am making money. Like I have already, received my first payment. All right, guys, so it's just an additional source of income. And if you, here I am on my channel, if you look for the review on Traffic Jarvis, let's see if my review comes up. Yeah, there it is, number 1, maybe because I am inside of my YouTube channel, right? But I think if you go to incognito, my review is almost obviously on the first page, and it's like number 1 or thing like that, or maybe number 2 or 3. But you will find my review if you want my feedback and about this Traffic Jarvis course. You see, I'm quite excited here talking about this training course. So this is my review on Traffic Jarvis. If you want to learn more about this course, so it says this is in 2 weeks, my proven testimonial. So it's all real, it's all raw and legit. All right, cool. So just a short video, just a quick update on how my channel is doing, has been doing. And again, super excited that I received my first payment and looking forward to more. I'm planning to get cracking now, got my voice back, thank God. And yeah, I am feeling really motivated, and yeah, so much potential, trust me, so much potential, and it is going to turn into a passive source of income in the years to come. Obviously, you need to put in the work, and you have to come up with something interesting. I'll be opening up another YouTube channel, most likely maybe in the spring or summer, about things I am truly passionate about, like health, natural healing, because I've got years and years, almost 2 decades of research in this field. So yeah, about time I started sharing my knowledge with whoever is interested. But yeah, my issue is the time. Obviously, I'm working on this YouTube channel, on this marketing channel these days. I have been working, but yeah, once I've mastered the technical bits, the editing, all of that, opening up another YouTube channel will be a piece of cake for me, and I will know how to get it monetized fast as well, because Traffic Jarvis showed me all of that. Okay. Right, guys, so again, check it out if that's something for you. I'll attach the link to Traffic Jarvis below this video. And yeah, cool. So I'm not gonna talk too much with my husky voice. It kind of sounds funny, a little bit weird, not me. But yeah, it is what it is. It should be back to normal in a few days' time, I shall hope. All right, stay cool, stay blessed, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye bye.